Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.